Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. And today I'm going to teach you how to report an Instagram account. First, let's open our Instagram application. Then we click the search icon beside the home button. And then let's search for a username that we want to report. I will be reporting my old Instagram account. Click the profile. And on the upper right corner, click the three dots. And in here, on our first option, click report. You will be asked why you are reporting the account. Then just click on the report account on the lowest option. Then click on the reason why you will be reporting that account. In my case, I will choose it's pretending to be someone else. Who is this account pretending to be? It's pretending to be me. I will click me. Submit a report that an account is pretending to be you. Click submit report. Click next. And after that, you will be given a choice if you want to block the account or restrict the account. Let's block. And that's how you report an account on Instagram. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.